Exam study routine. Gattu Chinky was sitting with Mummy Papa and having dinner. Papa was talking a lot with Mummy. But then suddenly his attention went to Gattu Chinky. Both of them were eating very seriously and they were looking very stressed. Hey, what happened, Gattu Chinky? Why do you both look so stressed?
Papa, our final exams are starting very soon. That is why I and Chinky are stressed about studies.
Hey kids, what is there to take so much stress in this? You both have studied well in the whole year, right?
Yes, Mummy, but a lot of syllabus comes in final exam. And now looking at the books, it seems as if we have forgotten everything.
Kids, then I feel that you should revise the entire syllabus properly. By doing this, whatever you have forgotten will come back to your memory.
But Papa, only 1 month is left for exams and a lot of syllabus. To complete that, we will have to sit with books the whole day and will not be able to do anything else.
No, kids, that's not necessary. In my opinion, both of you should make an exam study routine. Gattu Chinky are surprised to hear about the exam study routine.
What? Exam study routine?
Yes, kids, if you make a routine, you will be able to manage everything very well.
Yes, and you guys will also be able to take out some time for playing and watching TV because that is also necessary, isn't it? It refreshes your brain and then we can study well in a fresh mind.
Gattu Chinky liked this idea very much. And both of them quickly finished their dinner and then reached their rooms. Both of them sit on their study table and take out a pink chart paper and some colored sketch pens.
So Chinky, are you ready? Yes, Gattu. Now only 1 month is left for the exams. And for this 1 month, we have to make a good study routine. Let's start then. Okay, Chinky.
Gattu and Chinky sit together for a long time and make their own study routine respectively. Both of them also discuss things together because if their routine is similar, it will be easy for them too. Because then they will study together and also they can go to play together. After almost an hour, Gattu Chinky's routine is ready. Then Mummy also comes to the room.
Kids, is the routine ready?
Yes, Mummy, done.
Very good, kids. Now both of you put this routine on your study tables so that you will always see it in front of you and you will be able to complete everything on time. Okay?
Gattu Chinky also do exactly the same and then they say to Mummy,
Mummy, according to this routine, now we should go and sleep so we can wake up early in the morning and study for an hour before going to school.
Mummy gets very happy after hearing Gattu's words and says to both the kids,
Okay, kids, go to sleep.
Gattu Chinky quickly switch off the lights and go to sleep. In the morning at 6 o'clock, the alarm rings and both of them get up and start brushing their teeth. Mummy too, seeing both of them awake, keeps their breakfast on their study tables.
Look, Chinky, Mummy has already kept our breakfast on her study tables. She thinks so much about us, right? Yes, Gattu. We will also write a thank you note for her before going to school. Okay, Chinky, this is a good idea. Now let's have our breakfast and study.
Gattu and Chinky quickly finish their breakfast and then they start their studies. They both start revising their science chapters. They complete a lot of revision in 1 hour. After this, both of them write thank you notes for their mummy and then stick them on their tables and then start getting ready for school.
Chinky, today is such a good day. We studied early in the morning. This is making me feel very good. Yes, Gattu, me too. Come, let's go to school now.
Gattu Chinky go to school with Papa. In the afternoon, when Mummy gets a thank you note from Gattu Chinky, then she also becomes very happy. In the afternoon, when Gattu Chinky come back from school, then without wasting any time, they quickly have lunch with Mummy and go to rest for some time.
Mummy, now we both will sleep for some time and then get up and complete our homework.
Okay, kids.
Yes, Mummy, but we have set the alarm and we will wake up exactly after an hour. If the alarm doesn't work, then you wake us up. Okay, Mummy?
Okay, Chinky.
Then both Gattu and Chinky go to sleep and wake up after an hour. As soon as they wake up, they start completing their school homework. and then both start doing maths exercises. Just then, Mummy comes to them.
Children, evening tea and breakfast is ready. Now both of you come and have breakfast.
Mummy, just 5 more minutes. Then our study time will be over and we will have breakfast and watch TV. Yes, Mummy, just 5 more minutes.
Then Gattu Chinky finish everything in 5 minutes and go to have breakfast. Both of them have breakfast with Mummy while watching the TV. Just then, Gattu Chinky's friends arrive there.
Gattu Chinky, come on, we have to go to play. Oh wow, friends, you guys have come at the right time. Yes, because we still have 1 hour to play. Then we have to revise the chapter of social science.
Oh, okay, Gattu Chinky. Then we should not waste our time. Come on, let's go and play.
Then Gattu Chinky go to play and come back after playing for half an hour. Then both of them sit again and start revising their social science together. Due to working according to their timetable like this, by the time Papa comes, Gattu Chinky had finished all of their goals. Kids, so how was your day today?
Papa, it was very good. As you had told us, we worked according to our study routine and in just 1 day we revised so many chapters on time and also did our homework with it. And Papa, along with this, we also got time to play and watch TV. Actually, by making a schedule, our time was managed very easily.
Yes, kids, that is true. If we manage our time properly, then the work gets done very easily. If you follow your exam study routine for 1 month, then your exams are going to go very well.
Yes, kids. This is not just hard work, but smart work too. And both of you are very smart.
Gattu Chinky also feel very good to hear their praise. And actually, both of them were feeling very smart because of working according to the schedule. They were feeling as if they were way ahead of the other kids in their class. They also tell their friends about their study routine and in this way start preparing for their exams. You've got a parcel from Puntoon Kids.
Oh, it's here. Kids, why don't you go and open it? It is for you.
Wow, Mummy, there are so many products in it. What is fishing fun, Mummy?
I will give you 1 letter and you have to pick that letter with the help of the fishing rod.
Wow! So we will learn letters while fishing.
And see this, it is called fishing fingers. It will help you improve your eye-hand coordination. Hold this lace and try to put beads in it one by one.
Mummy, it is a very cool gift. It has so many products. We are having a lot of fun with it. What box is this?
It is Puntoon Kids Learning Box, which we are presenting for the kids of nursery, junior KG and senior KG. If you also want to order this box, then click on the link provided in the description or you can send a WhatsApp message or call on the number given below.
If you are liking our videos, then like them, comment them and subscribe.